Hi everyone, I'm at MBS hotel now. Today is our second day and the housekeeper just cleaned the room. So since it is now very neat and tidy, so I thought of making a tour video. So beside the entrance there is a shower room. It is very spacious shower area. Then there is sink and then the toilet here. So in this hotel, all the towels are wrapped in plastic. So as you can see here, I will show you one of it. So they wrap this for hygiene purpose. Yeah, it's very nicely wrapped. And then the housekeeper just now give me extra shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. So they place it here, and then there's another tree there. Then now let's look at the mini bar. So here is the mini bar. In the fridge door, it is written that all items are complimentary. So I show you here. Yeah. And then in this drawer, there's tea and snacks. Here is the tea, snacks, and here is the coffee. Just now the housekeeper gave me extra coffee because I like to drink coffee. Yeah, here is our room. It is very big and spacious. So it's very nice scenery also. So there's a wardrobe there. So inside there's ironing board and also iron. They give you another 4 mineral water, so it should be enough for me to stay the whole day in the room. Also, I like the scenery here, especially in the morning and also at night. So overall, I like this hotel. Thank you for watching. Hope you also like this. See you in the next video.